Radishes are a fantastic vegetable for new gardeners. They're one of the easiest vegetables to grow, making them perfect for those just starting out in gardening. They are easy to grow and quick to mature. In just a few short weeks, you can go from planting seeds to harvesting fresh, crunchy radishes. Imagine sowing seeds and harvesting food in just a few weeks. This rapid growth cycle makes radishes incredibly rewarding and fun to grow. Even in small spaces. Whether you have a small urban garden or just a few pots on a windowsill, radishes can thrive. Whether you have a large garden or a sunny windowsill, you can enjoy the delightful crunch of homegrown radishes. They are versatile and can be grown in various conditions. Many varieties of radishes are available, offering a range of colors and flavors. From spicy to mild, there's a radish to suit every palate. From the classic red globe radish to the milder French breakfast radish, there's a radish out there for everyone. Each variety brings its own unique taste and texture. Experiment with different types to find your favorites. Trying out various kinds can be an exciting journey of discovery in your gardening adventure. Don't be afraid to try something new. Radishes are a great way to start your gardening journey and build confidence in growing your own food. Planting radish seeds is simple. First, choose a location with well-drained soil and at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Radishes prefer cooler temperatures, so early spring or autumn is ideal for planting. Sow seeds directly into the ground, about 1 inch apart and 1/2 inch deep. Water the seeds gently but thoroughly after planting. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Within a week, you should see tiny radish seedlings emerge from the soil, reaching for the sun. Now the real fun begins. Radishes are low-maintenance vegetables, but they still need some care to thrive. Consistent watering is crucial, especially during dry spells. Check the soil regularly and water whenever it feels dry to the touch. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week. Thin out any crowded seedlings to give the remaining plants more space to grow. This will ensure that each radish has enough room to develop a nice round bulb. Keep an eye out for pests or diseases, though radishes are generally quite resilient. Section 4. Ready to harvest signs your radishes are ripe. One of the most exciting things about growing radishes is their speedy growth. From the moment you plant the seeds, you can almost watch them grow day by day. This rapid development makes radishes a favorite among gardeners who love quick results. In just a few weeks, you'll be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor. The satisfaction of pulling a perfectly ripe radish from the soil is unmatched. It's a testament to your hard work and patience. Most radish varieties mature in about 20 to 30 days, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Keeping track of the days can help you anticipate the perfect harvest time. Mark your calendar and watch the days fly by. You can tell when radishes are ready for harvest by checking the size of their roots. The roots should be firm and well formed. If they look too small, give them a few more days to grow. The tops of the roots should be about 1 inch in diameter. This is a good indicator that they are ready to be pulled. Use a ruler to measure if you're unsure. Gently push aside some soil to check the size without disturbing the plant too much. This careful inspection ensures that you only harvest the radishes that are truly ready, leaving the others to continue growing. Section 5. Taste the rewards of your labor. Harvest your radishes by gently pulling them up from the ground. Make sure to do this carefully to avoid damaging the roots. The best time to harvest is when the radishes are about 1 inch in diameter, which usually takes about 3 to 4 weeks from planting. Wash them thoroughly under running water to remove any soil. After washing, cut off the greens, but don't throw them away. Radish greens are edible and can be used in salads or sautéed as a side dish. Radishes are best enjoyed fresh. Their crisp texture and vibrant color make them a delightful addition to any meal. Their peppery bite adds a delightful crunch to salads, making them a perfect ingredient for a refreshing summer dish. They also add a unique flavor to sandwiches and can be enjoyed as a healthy snack on their own. You can also try roasting or pickling radishes for a different flavor experience. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness, while pickling adds a tangy twist. Growing your own radishes is a rewarding experience that connects you with the food you eat. It's a wonderful way to spend time outdoors and enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's a simple and fun project for gardeners of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, Radishes are easy to grow and require minimal care, so why not give it a try? You'll be amazed at how quickly they grow and how satisfying it is to harvest your own produce. Grab some seeds, find a sunny spot, and start your own radish revolution today. Happy gardening!